viewers, welcome to my another new Excel video. Today I'm going to share how to calculate internal rate of return with the Microsoft Excel. So let me share the screen and learn. So here I'm going to share the screen. So here you can see, and today I will calculate and I will see you how to calculate internal rate of return visually with Microsoft Excel. So here you can see years, project A and project B, and number of years. Here you can see and the investment project A and the investment project B. So here you can see IRR. So let's get started how to calculate it. So at the beginning we have to give equal sign, then we need to write down IRR bracket over here, and all the number we have to select, then select it all the number, then is the value, we can take the value v2, then second bracket close, then click on enter. Already have got 20% will be the IRR of project A of the project A. So here similarly like A we can easily calculate IRR of the project B. So again click on equal sign, then write down IRR, then first bracket and select all the values is percentage actually, then close the bracket, then click on enter option. Then we have got another, that is 22% IRR of project B. So now we will calculate MIRR. So that is very simple, like actually we need to give equation sign, then we need to write down MIRR, bracket will be values. What will be the values actually? Values will be, here you can see number. IRR, comma, then pre-investment rate will be here. Click on bracket. Here you can see actually IRR rate of project A 16%. Then similarly project B what will we go into calculate. So again click equal sign and write down MRR, first bracket, select all the values, that is IRR, then second bracket close, then click on interval. Then we can see both are same, but don't know check it. C4, C9, C10. So it's okay, both MRR will be the same. We can calculate it in MCQ by same dot select 16%, both will be the same. So it's okay. So it's all about determining the internal rate of return with Microsoft Excel easily and rapidly. So in this way we can solve various problem like this, even it will save our valuable time and we can easily solve the problem. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.